Hey, I just wanted to jump in here and let you know that I have a pain and inflammation workshop coming up next week on September 29th, and I'd love for you to join me. It's an online workshop, and we'll be going through all the ways that aromatherapy can support you with pain and inflammation issues, whether it's acute issues, things that we are feeling right now for sure in this world that we're living in, a lot of stress, and that's playing out on our bodies, and maybe you have some back pain, some tension in your neck. We'll talk about acute things, but also chronic pain and inflammation, things like arthritis, and just the chronic stress on your body. So come join me, sign up. You can find the link below, and I'd love for you to be there with me, and you can keep it for life, so you'll be sent a replay of the video. So I'd love for you to join me live because we'll do a Q&A session. I'll answer your questions, but also if you're not able to make it live, if you sign up, you'll get a replay that you can always keep and reference as needed. So please do join me. I'd love to have you there. Take care. Bye.